Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dark mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to display and brightness, and here select dark theme. Just to turn on this button so that dark mode will be applied instantly. Okay, will never turn off automatically. This dark mode will never turn off automatically until you turn it off. Okay, click over dark mode, and here you can customize dark mode like setting to sunset to sunrise or turn on at custom time. Okay, turn on this button to use your phone in sunset timing and sunrise timing. Okay, so from sunset to sunrise, dark mode will be automatically applied. On all other times it will be in light mode. Okay, if you click on turn on at custom time, then you can set your own time like start time and end time as per your wish. Click on start. Here you can assign start time of dark mode. So here I just use 6:15 p.m. Okay, so during a day 6:15 p.m. will be the start day of dark mode. Okay, then click on end time. Here you can assign end time. Here I just assign end time to 7 a.m. Okay, and click on OK. Yes, so between 6:15 p.m. to next day 7 a.m. dark mode will be automatically applied. On all other times light mode will be used. Okay, so automatically dark mode will be start at 6:15 p.m. and it will automatically end at 7 a.m. on next day. Okay, so in this way also you can set your own custom time for dark mode. Okay, suppose if you would like to use only at frequent at instant time, just use dark mode button here, and then instantly dark mode will be applied and you can instantly turn it off. So in this way you can easily set dark mode as per your wish in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.